Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox one of the most legendary muscle cars, the Dodge Charger RT. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, DC Jams. It is a 3 plus product and comes in a 1:64 scale. Diecast model, diecast metal construction, sleek aerodynamic design. It's made by Jams Toys and it has an MRP of rupees 189. So let's unbox it right now. We have unboxed it and here it is, the die-cast scale model of 1970 Dodge Charger RT. This is a 1:64 scale model and it comes in an aggressive black paint finish. This Dodge Charger RT, an iconic American muscle car, is very familiar to us through the Fast and Furious movie as Dominic Toretto's car. This car comes with a well-detailed body. Just look at the paint job, the handle, the tire and alloys. The rear tire is bigger. The indicator, the steel bumper, and this engine supercharger. It's popped out of the hood. And we can also see a well-detailed interior inside. The seats, dashboard, steering. Wow. Like, share and comment on my video. Now let's take this Dodge Charger for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.